Multiplication of algebraic expressions. Look at the picture. Here, you can see some pattern of dots. If we find the number of dots, then we have to multiply the expression for the number of rows by the expression for the number of columns. Say, total number of rows of the expression is m and total number of columns of the expression is n. Then, total number of dots present in this pattern is multiple of m into n. Multiplication of two monomials. If we multiply two monomials, then the coefficient of product is equal to the coefficient of first monomial into coefficient of second monomial. And the algebraic factor of product is equal to algebraic factor of first monomial into algebraic factor of second monomial. Multiplication of three or more monomials. During multiplication of three or more monomials, we first multiply the first two monomials and then multiply the resulting monomials by the third monomial. This method can be extended to the product of any number of monomials.